The National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict, or NTF-ELCAC, called the impeachment push against Vice President Sara Duterte political opportunism. According to NTF-ELCAC, they support President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s statement that the impeachment against the Vice President should not proceed or prosper because it is a very divisive issue, not only in the best interests of the Filipinos. This response came after the Makabayan Bloc statement, which suggested that the President is interfering with the impeachment filed in the House of Representatives.
We are merely expressing our opinion because of the concept of checks and balances. That is why we have this system of government. Kaya po kami nagsalita, kaya naglabas ng statement ng NTF-ELCAC, why we call the impeachment plan against VP Sara as political opportunism and as an attempt to create political mileage ahead of the 2025 elections.